A.O. Smith PNS 50 ProMax Short Electric Water Heater. Not to be confused with the A.O. Smith ENS 50, this 176-pound model features a Permaglass coating to keep the unit from corroding, and on the inside, the strong cross-linked polymer Dynaclean Diffuser Dip Tube ensures maximum hot water output while eliminating limescale buildup and sediment removal. Aluminum CoreGuard anode rod with a solid stainless steel core works harder and longer than most anode rods to keep the inner workings of the tank free of corrosion and rust. Complete with standard, durable copper release valves, the PNS 50 meets all energy efficiency requirements and certifications by the National Appliance Conservation and Energy Act. A.O. Smith offers a 10-year limited tank warranty and a 6-year limited parts warranty for the PNS 50. So now a few pros. 1. Diffuser tip for limescale and sediment removal. 2. High-quality anode rod. And 3. Best warranty. And now a couple of cons. 1. Heavy. 2. Customer support issues.